Okay, so we started HTML4. In the part of the HTML4, there are multiple kind of tags. Tags are two types basically. Tags are two types. One is paired tags, one is unpaired tags. One is unpaired. So paired tags basically like this: open tag and close tag. Unpaired tag, there are multiple kind of unpaired tags. One is the only open, only close, self close. Only open or only close, self close. So these are the multiple kind of tags. Let me take one program on tags, and we don't have any folder. Yeah, we created one folder already. Let me create one project, one application, which is going to be having something like tags types .html compulsory. And for this .html, I want to create multiple kind of tags. The one is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, okay. Whenever I'm writing on all 4 lines, whenever I'm writing 4 lines, if I'm trying to executing this, 4 lines are going to be showing in one row. 4 lines are going to be showing in one row. But I want to take a break. If I want to take a break, BR is the tag. BR is the tag. Every time BR is the tag. BR is going to be making line break. BR is going to be making line break. So that is the tag, which is going to be unpaired tag and close it tag. And there is one more tag, unpaired tag, only open tag. That is called HR. HR is going to be making a horizontal row. HR is going to be making horizontal row, creating horizontal row. And there is one more tag like heading, H1. And this is going to be giving something like heading. H1 is the tag which is heading. Full stack web development, this is the heading. That is a H1 tag. And there is one more tag, something like self-closed, that is called IMG SRC. IMG SRC. And SRC should be attribute. SRC is the attribute. For attribute, we need to specify the value. Okay, what is the value for the IMG? Let me show some images. Just I will take one image. That image is going to be. Let me copy the IMG address, paste inside the SRC. And then finally, it is the self-closed tag. This is unpaired tag. This is only paired tag. So let me write for everything. So this is the paired tag. Give a comment for this. This is the unpaired, only open. Unpaired open. This is unpaired close. Unpaired close. And this is the unpaired self close. Yes, these are the multiple kind of tags which are going to be available in HTML. But HTML writing in a formal way of writing HTML, formal way of writing HTML. Basically, we are writing HTML without having some formal decoration something. HTML should be started with the HTML tag. Let me write points. HTML starts with HTML tag. Second point, HTML had two tags or two sections. The first one is head section. Second one is body section. Basically, HTML had two sections. One is the head section, one is the body section. How it will be? Inside HTML, one is the head, one is the body. One is the head, one is the body. And one more point. Head contains title tag and meta tags. Fourth point, body contains all elements. Body contain all elements related to the page. Head contains title tag and meta tags. Body contain all related elements to the page. So coming to the head part, what head part contains with? Basically, head part contains with the title tag. Title open, title close. And one more is meta. Body contain all different kind of elements. Body contain multiple elements. For example, body contain divisions. Inside division, I will be taking paragraph. Up to paragraph heading. Like this. All page related elements containing in the body. Head contains title meta. Let me create a new HTML, which is a formal HTML now. Formal way of HTML. Formal page. Formal page.html. Yes. What I want to do is I want to create a HTML tag open. Head body. Basically, HTML containing two tags. One is a head tag, one is a body tag. These two tags are child tag of HTML tag. And the head contains title. Title tag open, title tag close. This is something like a formal page. Come to the body. Inside the body, I'll be having something like H1 web development full stack. Okay, so let me right click on this, open in default browser. I will be having H1 and I have title over there. Where is the title we have? This is the title. Where the title we have the title there. Formal page. Somewhere you will be having title, right? This is the title. Title shows on top of the tab. in browser. Title shows on top of the tab in browser. This is the title, and this is your H1. Okay, so let me go with the one more tag. Let me go with the normal headings. A lot of headings I will do. Headings. How many headings are there? Basically in HTML, 6 headings are there. H1 full stack, and basically in HTML we have 6 tags. H1, H2, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H3, H4, H5, H6. 6 headings are there. Okay, so let me write headings.html. Headings.html. So every time I'm not writing all the tags like HTML tag, header tag, body tag, all these things. I'm just writing the content like H1, all these things. Okay, so instead of writing the HTML tag, instead of writing the header tag, instead of writing the body tag, also HTML will work. But writing HTML in the formal way is you have to create the HTML tag as a root tag. Inside that, you have to create a heading, you have to create the body, all this. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Here also H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. 6 tags. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. We have 6 tags. Basically, headings are bold content. Headings are bold content. Headings are bold content. One more point. H1 is bigger. H6 is smaller. H1 is bigger. H6 is smaller. You need to understand this one. Next, let me go with the paragraph. What is a paragraph? P tag. P tag for basically paragraph. P open, P close. How to create paragraph? Let me note p.html. Every file should be HTML file only. .html is mandatory. Okay, so H1 full stack. After that, I want to take a paragraph. P open, P close, and LOREM, lorem. This is a plain text which is not having some copyrights. LOREM, lorem ipsum. Okay. Okay. Open in default browser. I will be having something like heading and paragraph. Heading and paragraph. And I want to copy the heading and paragraph multiple times. I'm having headings and paragraphs multiple times. Got it. We got it. P is a tag for paragraph. P is the tag for paragraph. Whenever you want to create a paragraph, P is the tag. And there are multiple kind of list items we have. List items. Showing the list. There are multiple kind of list items. First one is ordered list. Second one is unordered list. Third one is the definition list. Definition list. First one is ordered list. Second one is the unordered list. Third one is the definition list. Okay, how to create ordered list? Order list is going to be creating with the OL tag, OL and LIs. OL open, OL close. Inside this OL, LI open, LI close. There are multiple kind of LI objects. That is ordered list. How to create unordered list? Unordered list. Unordered list is going to be having UL open, UL close. Inside UL again LI open, LI close, something like this. Next, definition list. Definition list. Third one is the definition list. How to create a definition list? Definition list is going to be having a DL tag and DL close. DL open, DL close. DT, DD. Definition title, definition data. And multiple definition titles, multiple definition data. DL have two child tags. One is the DT. DT means definition title. Definition title. DD means definition data. LI means list item. UL means unordered list. Here OL means ordered list. LI means list item. So very simple. HTML tags are very simple. Now what I want to do is I will create a program which is going to be for list items. Which is going to be for list items. Let me take a new program. List items. List items.html. Okay. H2 ordered list. Okay. OL open, OL close. LI open, LI close. This will be HTML. 2, 3. Okay. HTML, CSS, React.js. Okay. So I'm writing order list now. And this order list is going to be having unordered list. Unordered UL. Unordered. Instead of OL, I will take UL. UL open, UL close. UL open, UL. Ordered list, unordered list. Open in default browser. Ordered list is going to be having order 1, 2, 3. Unordered list is going to be having dots. Dots. For ordered list, we will be having a lot of properties. Let me have the order list type capital letters. Type italic letters. New Roman letters. And order list reversed. Order list starts. Start 2 or 3. So there are multiple properties which are going to be available for order list. I will write and render. The first one is normal 1, 2, 3. Second one is capital letters. Third one is Roman letters. Starts with 3, 2, 1. Starts with 3, 4, 5. Sorry, this is reversed. Reversed one nothing but 1, 2, 3 reversed with 3, 2, 1. And this starts with 3, 4, 5. 3 onwards we are going to be starting. So that is about order list and order list properties. So let me have the one more list item that is called a definition list. H2 definition list. So for the definition list, I will write something like DT. DT is the definition title. Definition title, and one more is the definition data. Definition title is HTML. Definition data is HTML is hypertext markup language. And this is the definition title. This is the definition data. I'll make it copy paste a lot of time. And for this is CSS. This time this is JavaScript. Something like this. CSS is cascading style sheets. And JavaScript is scripting language. JavaScript is scripting language. Something like this. Okay. And let me render this. Open in default browser. We will be having definition list like this. Definition title, definition data. If you want, you can write a number of definitions. JavaScript, sorry, JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language, which is going to be having React.js, AngularJS, or Angular. Okay, so let me have one more definition data. Let's make it render. We have the multiple definition data here. So definition title is like this, and definition data is like this.